How to change Instagram name on Android. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to change Instagram name on Android device. So do watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe for more tech and tips videos. So without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, you need to launch the Instagram app on your device. Ensure to log in and sign into your account. Prof- Tap on the profile icon at the bottom left corner of the screen. Now, on your profile feed at the top, you can easily see your username and the name on Instagram. To change it, tap the Edit Profile button. Now, you can easily tap on Name option. Here, you can easily remove this old name on your device. And after that, you can easily tap on the tick mark at top right corner of the screen. Before changing the name, you need to know and be aware that you can only change your name twice within 14 days. So let's tap on the tick mark and tap on change name if you are sure that you want to change the name on your Instagram. So that is how we can easily tap the confirm button and change name on Instagram on the Android device. So that's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching.